Post 4 random pictures from October so far. Instagram change story. Add yours viral trending sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you how you can do this viral trend right here and where you can find this add yours sticker. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram profile and then from here click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then go to my Instagram profile, which is Ali and John YTT. From this place, you will have to go to October, add yours, add highlights. So this is the place where you can find this sticker. Now you have to tap and you can also try my other viral trends if you like this one for example, or this one with October dump. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I'll show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. Or you can just go to the description box below and there you will find a link with that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose 4 random pictures from October so far. I will go ahead and choose my first photo, which is this one. Now to add a second photo, you have to make this first photo smaller and place it in the left top corner, and then to add a second photo you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you once again on your gallery. But I will leave it just with one photo right now just for the video. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram profile, but this time you have to go to super viral add highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on this link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell, and because we post daily, and you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about this add yours sticker. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.